Peppers add that fiery kick in our meals, and when starting peppers, you start them from seed either in trays or in the nursery. The seedlings also might require to be drenched with a starter solution after 10 days if need be. When the seeds have been in the nursery for 25 to 30 days, that's approximately 1 month, you now transfer into the field, and when transferring you need to space them 50 centimeters apart, as they can grow very big, especially if not pruned well. The spacing will also be determined by the variety at hand. Some variety will require a very large spacing, while others will require a medium one. 1 month after transplanting, when the plants have established well, you now apply your basal fertilizer, that is DAP or NPK, depending on the soil test that you've done prior to planting. Then you'll need to top dress your plant with CAN and urea. With alternating the two, you'll get the best results, and I strongly recommend so. So you'll apply after every 2 weeks, alternating CAN and urea, and you should stop immediately you see the first flowering, because you don't want to negatively impact production at the expense of producing a lot of leaves. You can harvest your peppers green for immediate use, or red. Green pepper is for immediate culinary uses, but the red one you can dry and extract seeds, or grind it into powder for use as chili powder. You should prune off parts that are infected with either pest or diseases, and also you should use the right insecticides to control the pests. But until the next video, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share. Ciao and keep growing.